Hello everyone, Deb Floros, guest designer for Beadaholique. We're going to make the perfect dangly earrings with these 3-hole connectors. I've got some beautiful Dakota Stones microfaceted emeralds and some antique silver plated cogwheel chain that's super fun. So I'm going to attach 5 links of the chain onto my center loop of my connector piece. And then to add a little bit of fun at the bottom, I'm going to wire wrap one of those emeralds onto a head pin and attach it to the bottom loop of that chain. Just looks so super fun, and that will bring the continuity of what we're going to do next into that strand. Then we're going to create on either side of that cogwheel chain wire wrapped beads. So we're going to wire wrap our first piece of wire onto the actual connector, and then we're going to wire wrap the beads until we have 6 of them on either side. Now I'm using 24 gauge wire. It's perfect for these tiny, tiny beads. In order to be able to see them and showcase them, we do need a small gauge wire. It also brings great movement to these very, very dangly earrings. At the bottom of your chain of beads, you'll want to do just what you did at the bottom of our cogwheel chain. Take a head pin, add your bead, and wire wrap that to the bottom. So you want a little dangle at each end of each piece on your earring. So then you're just going to do the same thing on the other loop of your connector. Just wire wrap your beads until you have 6. Take that last bead, wire wrap it onto the dangle of your chain, and you've got an amazing, amazing dangly earring. You just need an ear wire to attach it. And look at the great movement of these earrings. They're so much fun, and they're actually pretty seasonless because of the tones of the gemstones and the metal that we're using. You can find everything to make these at beadaholique.com. Give them a try. They're so much fun. Thank you so much for watching.